Mr. Soni, he is a housemaker. Today I want to express my views on given topic, pollution. As we know that friends, pollution is one of the severe problems faced by all over the world. Pollution means increase the gases and so on other problems in the environment. Pollution causes by the fossil fuels and increase the CO2 in the environment, and it causes many severe problems for humans and other species in the world who lives with us. Fossil fuels caused by CFCs and vehicles and other activities did by man's in a daily routine.
My father's name is Mr. Ganesh Ram, my mother's name is Mrs. Chinna Devi, and I am from Nagaur, Rajasthan. My hobbies are playing games and listening music. I want to join Indian Air Force because my maternal uncle is in Air Force and I am inspired from him. Today my topic is climate change. Climate change is a big problem because we know that our climate is changing day by day and it's causing many problems like pollution and global warming. It's increasing greenhouse gases level. Due to this gases and pollution, our ozone layer is damaging and ultraviolet rays coming. This causes many diseases like cancer, and we have to know that climate change is a big problem because through it our sea level is increasing, glaciers are melting, and also it causes many problems like hurricane, flood and droughts.
Vishnu, my father name is Pramaram Vishnu. He is now in paramilitary services. My mother name is Geeta Devi. She is a housemaker. My hobby is to play cricket. I want to join the Indian Air Force because it is my dream of childhood, and my father also inspired serve the nation. Now my topic is pollution. Pollution is the process in which soil, water and air make dirty, and due to the pollution continuously increases the temperature of the earth, and due to pollution many impact on the climate. They are like continuously decreasing the snow on the oceans, and due to the pollution many diseases are created. Pollution can be seen in three ways: air pollution, noise pollution and water pollution. And there are many disease through the pollution, and we
Good morning everyone. Thank you ma'am. My name is Mahendra Singh. I am from Jodhpur. Jodhpur is famous for Mehrangarh forts, and my father's name Amar Singh.
Speak loud.
My father's name Amar Singh. He is a farmer, and my mother's name Lal Kanwar. She is a housemaker. I have passed my graduation from Mahasi Dayanand University Ajmer, and I want to join Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force is not for a job; it is a passion for my. And my hobby is reading books and reading novels. And today, given my topic is global warming. Global warming is a problem today, and global warming is driven by women's activities and human activities. And global warming is temperatures rising, and many of regions that solve these problems is there's effects on ozone layers, paramagnetic waves in earth. And
I am from Jaisalmer. My father name is Dhan Singh. He retired from army. My mother name is Risalka. She is a homemaker. I want to join the Air Force because my father retired from army. Then they inspire me. Today my topic is pollution. Pollution, many kinds of pollution, as air pollution, water pollution, and pollution is increasing day by day. And pollution, many problems faced by.
Not agitating, continue to speak loudly. You have 10 seconds.
I am from Nagaur, Rajasthan. My father's name Mr. Umaram. He is a private job करते हैं वो. My My hobbies are playing cricket, cooking food, and reading newspaper. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to serve the nation. Today is my topic is global warming. Global warming increases the temperature of our environment, or it's by the global warming ice melting, and it's increases the greenhouse gases effect.
Jai Hind sir, Jai Hind friends, and thank you sir. My name is Surendra Singh. My father's name is Mr. MS Singh. He retired from SI in the ITBP. My mother name is Mrs. Bomkawar. She is a homemaker. I am from Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer is known as the Golden City because the Yellowstone of Jaisalmer is world famous. I have completed BSc from Jayavarman Vyas University. My hobby is playing cricket. And reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force because I inspire from my family members. They were also serve for nation. Today's my topic is greenhouse effect. The world largest problem of increasing greenhouse gases day by day, and also the CFC increase day by day because CFC uses in refrigerator and air conditioner, and CFC also damage ozone layers and ozone.
I am from Nokha, Bikaner. My father's name is Mr. Bhavani Singh. He is a reception manager in a private hotel. My mother's name is Mrs. Santosh Kanwar. She is a homemaker. I have completed my graduation from the MGSU University, Bikaner in the arts stream. My hobbies are listening Rajasthani folk song and traveling. My dream is become to the first Agniveer in my whole family, and I want to serve for nation as a Agniveer with pride and honor. Now I want to express my views on the given topic. Today's topic is global warming. In other words, we can say climate changes. Global warming is a term in which the temperature of Earth is increasing year by year by many various activities done by men. And global warming is a crucial problem that face all world those days. Last 10 years, it is the highest point of it, and its main causes of CFC and carbon dioxide gases that also deflection in ozone layer, and the parabenigni waves are directly hit a human being body, and the parabenigni waves are also harmful for a human body. And
my father's name is Mr. Narayan Singh, and my mother's name is Mrs. Sagan Kanwar. My parents are farmer. My hobbies are playing volleyball and reading books. I passed 12th class in 2019 with 86%. Now I am doing my graduation from Mahasi Dayanand Saraswati University, Ajmer. My grandfather also served in Indian Army, so he is an inspiration for me to join defense, and he used to tell me about defense. Now I would like to discuss about the topic which has been given to me, which is global warming, or you can say climate change. Climate change means the changes of environment doing by the man. You can take example, the temperature level of the ground is increasing day by day because there are many vehicles and by the factories, or it also affect the direct effect of
for giving me this opportunity that I am introducing myself in front of you. My name is Samandar Singh. My father name is Mr. Sajan Singh. He is a farmer. I have completed my graduation from Jayavarman Vyas University. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve the country and fulfill my dreams. Now I want to express my views on the topic climate change. There are 3 seasons on the earth. If the seasons are not changed time to time, it is referred to climate change. The pollution and global warming is mainly cause of the climate change. The pollution is global warming is the temperature of Earth is increasing day by day. There are